We have.
I have presented facts here.
Abdul Razak sir, please let me talk. The question has been asked to me.
Because of the failed
Abdul Razak sir,
diplomacy
please
of this
allow me with your
Modi
permission, sir.
Sarkar,
You have
led
no
to
knowledge
loss
of this.
of
You're just
20
talking over me.
brave
You have no idea where Galwan is. You have no idea even where Ladakh is. So please give me the opportunity.
Sir,
My name is
कुछ तो
Gaurav
पढ़े,
sir.
इसी
Please
के
allow
लिए
me to
आके
speak,
बैठे
sir.
हैं
With your
इधर।
permission, sir. Sir, with your permission, sir. Sir, please allow me. Sir, please allow me. Don't. Now, Arnab, before I tell you, I'll tell you why this is happening. Arnab, some of these people, whom I have for a very long time not named and shamed because I said that I have also worn the uniform, and there should be some loyalty towards the uniform, and for a period of 3-4 years, I have said, no, I will not do it. But when a person speaks against India, it is very important to come forth because India comes first. Number one. Number two, Arnab, these people are beneficiaries of a past system. Those benefits have stopped, causing immense heartburn. Colonel Ajay Shukla in a tweet says that I am telling you all this because I have access to SITREPs. Now, General Bakshi will bear me out. SITREPs are situation reports in the army.
Yeah.
And in an operational area, these are very, very confidential and top secret. He says intelligence report says, my first question is, forget about what he said in 2013 and 2020. I want to know, how does Colonel Ajay Shukla have access to Indian Army SITREPs? How does he know intelligence reports? Either he's lying or the Indian Army is lying, and I would put my money that he's lying and not the Indian Army, because Arnab, even I have contacts in the Indian Army. I have shot for Patriot. I have been to more than 50 locations, and nobody tells me anything. I have the best of friends. I have my course mates. And we maintain that confidentiality. I never ask and they never tell. How has this gentleman access to Indian Army SITREPs? It's on record. Please look it up on Twitter. How is one person, an ex-army officer, a colonel, an armored corps officer, saying he has access to intelligence situation reports of the Indian Army when the PLA and the Indian Army are facing off at the border?
Ravi.
I would like to understand this.
Yep.
Point number two, Arnab. You see,
all that he
they
is
talk about
questioning,
various
all
things
that he-
like, you know, sir, please, sir, you have no idea what a SITREP is. Don't make a monkey out of yourself by opening your mouth. I want this, you know, spend time exposing you. Please don't make a monkey out. This is the second monkey, Arnab. He has no clue what is happening. Again, he's opening his mouth. Now listen to me.
Please.
You know,
I'm finding the
I'll
whole
also tell you one more thing, Arnab.
is afraid.
What Prime Minister Narendra Modi
The
says.
nation is not afraid.
What
You must
Prime
be.
Minister Narendra Modi says.
1 minute.
Srivastava, please
The
keep
nation
quiet.
is not
You're
afraid. You
embarrassing
must
yourself.
be. You must be.
Arnab, this is unfair.
The nation is not afraid, Ravi. You must
At the
be.
beginning of the show, you will give the time to the opposition to speak.
Ravi,
And again
Ravi,
you
I
start
would request you to
attacking
keep
the person.
quiet.
This
It's
is
my
unfair.
time.
I will give you
Let's have a
equal time
civilized
after he
debate.
finishes.
Unfair on your
So,
part, Arnab.
okay,
Don't
Ravi,
take the
keep quiet
debate
now. Ravi, keep
one-sided.
quiet.
I say Ajay Shukla.
Ravi, you're
Ravi,
irritating
Ravi.
me. Ravi,
What
don't
Ajay
irritate me.
Shukla
Keep
has
quiet.
to do?
Ravi,
Ajay
don't
Shukla may
irritate me.
be
Keep quiet.
anything. He may be
Okay.
saying anything.
Now-
I am asking you a question.
Okay.
And Major Arya,
Okay.
please
No,
don't
it's
refer
important.
your
It's
background
important
over
to
here.
know this.
You
It's
are
important
a
to know.
co-panelist
And
on this
Arnab, one more
channel.
thing.
Okay?
You know, all these
And
people are
we know
saying,
about our
all these
families
people
in
are
army.
saying, Arnab,
We
all
also
these people
know
sitting on
about
the
the
panel,
army
even Bhai
functioning.
Baldeep said,
I've travelled
even
up to
Bhai Baldeep
Ladakh.
said
I've travelled up
that
to
why
Mumbai.
are you
I've
not
also
asking
travelled
questions to the
entire
government?
Ladakh.
Why are you
Don't
asking questions to
don't
the
bother about
opposition?
it.
Arey, I want to ask you something.
What is
wrong if I ask
this?
questions to
Ask
Rahul
me, yeah,
Gandhi?
ask me.
राहुल गांधी को सैलरी नहीं मिल रही
Where's the
एमपी की
need?
राहुल गांधी को
Where's the
बंगला नहीं
need?
मिल रहा राहुल
Arab,
गांधी को
where is
सिक्योरिटी
the
नहीं मिल
need?
रही
Major
राहुल गांधी को
Gaurav
फॉरेन
Arya,
ट्रिप्स का पैसा नहीं
Prime
मिल
Minister
रहा
is
राहुल
afraid.
गांधी lives off
Prime
the
Minister
taxpayers'
is
money and I
afraid.
as a
Prime
citizen
Minister
cannot
is
ask him
scared.
questions.
You know,
Of course I will ask him
Aam
questions,
Aadmi
sir.
Party was protesting. Listen
You're
now.
a political
listen.
stooge. Just
Aam
go
Aadmi
away.
Party was
Now, Arnab, I want to ask you
protesting
this.
on the streets
Okay.
of Delhi. And
Arnab,
the police
I just
consent
want to ask
tells
you
them
this.
that please
Whatever
don't name
Narendra
China.
Modi said on
This
his
Prime Minister
speech.
cannot name
All right.
China
Whatever
even.
Prime Minister
Twice he
Narendra Modi
addressed
said,
the
Arnab,
nation.
in his
He
speech,
did not use the word
Narendra
China
Modi
in
has
the
not
past.
gone to Galwan.
He is
He has not
scared.
gone to
Narendra
patrolling
Modi
point
is
14.
scared.
He has not gone to
And all,
Pangong Sole.
nobody is
He has not gone to
questioning
Shiok.
the army
He has
here.
not gone to
Whole
Daulat
nation
Begoldi.
respects the army.
Who has
It
given
is
him
the
this information?
leadership,
Who has given the Prime Minister this
political
information?
leadership. It is changing
This
the
information
nation
has
for
been
right.
given to him by the Chief of
And
Army
the
Staff of the
question
Indian
will
Army.
be asked.
Now,
We are
whom do
not
you
the
trust? I
resident
want to
of
ask the
China.
people of India.
We are the resident
Neither of
India.
us have been.
We are
I
a
may have been
democracy.
because I was in the forces.
We are not a
But
communist
99.9%
nation.
of the people in India have not gone to these
What is
places.
wrong in
Now, I
that?
want to ask you, whom do you
The
trust?
government has to come
Do you
out with
trust
the
Rahul
truth.
Gandhi or do you trust General
Government
Naravne?
has to
Who are
speak
these
the
people
truth.
who are writing these articles?
Major
Arnab,
Arya,
have they been there?
Government
You know,
has to
gaye
speak
wahan
the
pe.
truth.
And when I
Nobody is
say,
asking
I know
army.
my name,
Everybody
Srivastava, keep
trusts
quiet.
army.
You're an embarrassment
We all are
to the
fan of
passport, to the
army.
flag and to the
That's
anthem.
our army as
Keep
well,
quiet. You're a
not
crook.
your
I
personal
refuse to listen to
army.
you. You're a crook. Now, Arnab, we
I
must
also
say
refuse to
something.
listen to you.
You know, Rahul is saying that Zameen de di, Zameen hadap li. I want to know, I want to ask one simple question. which even a dimwit like Srivastava can answer. How does Rahul Gandhi know? Please tell me how does he know? Please tell me how does Srivastava answer my
Ravi,
question?
Ravi.
How does Rahul Gandhi know कि जमीन हड़प ली? If you can explain, I will accept कि जमीन हड़प ली Chinese ने. I will accept. I will. You don't tell me whether I'm aware. This I do on a daily basis. You're a politician. Please move away. You're a politician. I don't take you seriously.
Louder,
I want to
Ravi.
ask, how does Rahul Gandhi know कि जमीन हड़प ली? How does he know? Does Congress have an office in Galwan? पेट्रोलिंग पॉइंट 14 पे क्या कांग्रेस का ऑफिस है? राहुल को कैसे पता जमीन हड़प ली? I want to know this. You ask me, I'll tell you, Ravi Srivastava. You answer my question. How do you know जमीन हड़प ली? Please tell me.
My dear, your Raksha Mantri said it.
रक्षा मंत्री ने ये नहीं बोला जमीन हड़प ली. You are totally
Yes,
crazy.
he said it
You are
there,
totally
that
crazy.
side.
He has
They
not
have
said
come-
जमीन हड़प ली.
Okay.
Don't lie.
Are you
Don't
patrolling
lie.
between P4
Ravi
and
Srivastava,
P8 fingers?
you have made a career
Are
out of
you
lying on
patrolling
television.
between
You are a
P4
liar. You always lie on
fingers?
television. Stop lying.
You are
Stop embarrassing
scared,
yourself.
Major Gaurav
There are
Bhaiya.
young people
Your
looking at
politicians
this and
are
they'll say
scared.
that this man with grey hair
can't-
and no
they
hair
can't
is lying.
name the word
Raksha
China
Mantri
even.
said there has been an incursion. Raksha
said
Mantri never said they have
43
occupied
people
land.
killed from
हड़प ली
China
मतलब हमसे
side.
जमीन ले ली.
Has anybody
क्या रक्षा
confirmed
मंत्री ने ये
on
बोला
the
कि जमीन
Chinese
हड़प ली?
channel or Chinese
You tell me,
media,
has Raksha
Chinese
Mantri said that
government
जमीन हड़प ली?
that they lost 43 people?
Has Raksha Mantri said जमीन हड़प ली?
Your government should tell that.
Had Raksha
Your
Mantri said
government
जमीन
should
हड़प
do
ली?
that.
रवि श्रीवास्तव
Yes,
रक्षा मंत्री
you
ने ये
said
बोला
it.
जमीन हड़प ली?
You
क्या
said
ये
it.
बोला
Yes,
जमीन
he
हड़प ली?
said it, they are inside. If they
Arnab,
were
this
not
man is a
inside,
liar.
what was
This man is a
de-escalation?
liar. He's lying.
What
Please show me the
was de-escalation
statement.
that
Please
they
show me
need?
the statement of
What
Raksha
was
Mantri.
de-escalation?
Take your phone and
If they
take your
got
phone and show it on
escalated,
television
what was
right now.
de-escalation?
Thank you,
Take your
viewers.
phone and show it on television right now.